Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So it's been about 10 years, probably more than that, and it was really time to replace our grill. So, I've been looking around at different ones. Weber was out of the question. I really didn't need a charcoal one. Wanted to do one with plenty of space for, cooking burgers, when we have parties, things like that. And actually found a really good price on one at Home Depot. The Next Grill brand had a lot of really good reviews, so I wanted to check it out myself. Now, I didn't do the one with the infrared, which supposedly heats more evenly, gets less burn spots on the burners, because I didn't want to add any more radiation to our food than what we get with the microwave. So I chose not to do that. And I mean, I've had propane, have had little problems with it. So I went with the Next Grill 6 burner, and it does have a searing station, which I liked on my old Kenmore. And so let me show you. We're going to take a look and see actually what's in the box, but there is a lot of different pieces. So I took all the foam out and all that fun stuff, and let me just show you the box real quick. Then I'm going to go lay all the stuff out and we'll go through it, and I'm going to do the build. And then later on we'll get a review out of it as well. So let's go ahead and take a look actually and see what's in the box. So here it is. Here's the Next Grill. This is 720-0896B Deluxe Dual Energy. So if you have natural gas, you can run it that way, or it will run on traditional propane. This one also comes with a rotisserie spit, which is kind of cool. Not sure if I'll ever use that, but it is pretty cool. Again, it has the other part for the searing station, which is nice. And this side here is just, a place to hang some utilities. But I do, on my old Kenmore, I may be able to rig it so I get the draw that will actually work. So again, 6 burner gas grill with ceramic searing side burner. And I believe it's cast iron grates. Pretty cool, you get an idea. It's kind of like what it looks like in the box here. And a bunch of the pieces I already started taking out. This is just in the garage, but I got to move it out back to the deck. So we got all the different pieces, the doors, the catching unit for the drippings, all that fun stuff. So we're going to go ahead. I'm sure it's a lot of pieces to put together, but I'm looking forward to checking it out. And one thing I did like about this, compared to some of the other brands, it actually has some pretty good weight to it. So I'm happy about that. Should hold the temperature really nice. And again, the reviews that I did read online, just on the Home Depot site, kind of said, really, really nice, and that they're very happy with it. So I have all the pieces out, took them all out of the box, but now let's actually show you what came in that box. A lot of packaging, a lot of it left in the garage, but this is the Next Grill right here, the 6 burner, and these actually illuminate with LED, kind of cool. So inside you'll see the actual burn tubes are all set up. There's still some foam I gotta remove. And then next we have the pack of screws that came with it, our cast iron grates, which I didn't take out fully because we'll put them in probably last. And then we have this unit right here, which is just is to hang stuff from. There's nothing else behind it. Instruction manual, some batteries, and this here is our searing station. And you'll see inside here, that's the ceramic searing station that will hook up. It's another panel that looks like it goes behind the grill. Come over here, we have 2 more panels that go behind the grill here, and that looks like a battery pack for where the igniter will sit. And then these are probably the sides, I'm sorry. So we got the little outlet there where the gas tube will go through. The base unit, this is what catches the grease, this part here that was in there. The black doors that will go on the front. And then come right over here, we have our caster wheels. Came with 4. Again, this one comes with a rotisserie spit, so that's the motor for the spit. I'm not totally sure. Oh, this is going to go at the top where the doors close. It has a little magnetic catch. Here's the other part of the spit, as well as the sharp part that will go through the chicken or whatever else you're going to put on the spit there. It's kind of sharp, didn't need to take that out yet. Here we have the rack that's going to sit on the top shelf. And then some other parts from handles. I'm not 100% sure what all these other little parts are here. And then we have our the flame, I guess, dispersers. I don't even know what they're called. So this sits over the burner and kind of displaces the flame, so it's not 100% direct fire on the stuff you're cooking. And then we have another little. Let's see what this one's for. Some other little thing here. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks like a little igniter thing, and that's that's our little catch tray right there. So that's all the pieces of what comes in the box of this 6-burner Nex grill. Now what I will say, I showed you this part here, and there's no drawer on that. But my old grill, the Kenmore here, which is more than probably 12 years old, does have this. And when I looked at it, it looks like everything may line up. So I may actually just take that off and keep that. There is a side burner unit over here as well. Really almost never use the side burner unit. You can see it's all got all gunked up and everything. Never used it, so that's why I didn't need to get it on this one. But the drawer I really do like. So this one has worked really great. Another nice weight to it. But really looking forward to firing this and building this out. Again with the cool LED lights. Ooh, pretty nifty. So that little red button looks like it goes for that little steering station right there. So there you have it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click the little bell icon to stay up to date, especially when we do the review of this bad boy. And we'll see you soon.